Imagine controlling workplace hazards before they even reach workers. What if you could completely eliminate risks instead of just protecting against them? This is where the hierarchy of control comes in. Den nan, the most effective method to manage risks. Welcome to HSE World 360E, your complete platform for health, safety, and environment knowledge. We simplify safety concepts and help you build a safer workplace. Because safety is not just a rule, it's a responsibility. In today's video, we will learn about the hierarchy of control, a fundamental concept in risk management according to NIBOSH standards. By the end of this video, you will understand each level and how to apply it step by step. The hierarchy of control is a system used to minimize or eliminate exposure to hazards. It ranks control measures from the most effective to the least effective. The goal is always to control hazards at the highest possible level. Let's look at the hierarchy of control diagram. It is usually shown as a pyramid with 5 levels. At the top is elimination, followed by substitution, engineering controls, administrative controls, and at the bottom, personal protective equipment. The higher you go in the hierarchy, the more effective the control. The most effective control is elimination. This means completely removing the hazard from the workplace. For example, if a hazardous chemical is not needed, it should be removed entirely. According to NIBOSH, elimination is the best control because it removes the risk completely. The second level is substitution. This involves replacing a hazardous material or process with a safer alternative. For example, using a less toxic chemical instead of a dangerous one. While substitution reduces risk, it does not eliminate it completely. Engineering controls aim to isolate people from hazards. This includes physical changes to the workplace. Examples include machine guards, ventilation systems, and safety barriers. These controls are highly effective because they do not rely on human behavior. Administrative controls involve changing the way people work. This includes training, procedures, warning signs, and work schedules. For example, rotating workers to reduce exposure time. These controls are less effective because they depend on human compliance. The last level is personal protective equipment, or PPE. This includes helmets, gloves, goggles, and safety shoes. PPE does not eliminate hazards. It only protects the worker. That is why it is considered the least effective control. According to NIBOSH, control measures should always be selected starting from the top of the hierarchy. Avoid relying only on PPE. Always aim to eliminate or reduce risks at the source. Let's take an example of working with noisy machinery. Elimination: remove the noisy machine. Substitution: replace it with a quieter model. Engineering: install sound barriers. Administrative: limit exposure time. PPE: provide ear protection. This shows how each level works step by step. Common mistakes include relying only on PPE, ignoring higher-level controls, and failing to assess risks properly. Always follow the hierarchy in order. The hierarchy of control is one of the most important tools in safety management. The higher the control level, the better the protection. Remember, eliminate the hazard whenever possible. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to HSE World 360. Share this video to spread safety awareness. Because safety starts with you.